Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to contact WhatsApp customer service directly on WhatsApp Web using your PC, all following the latest update. If you've ever faced bugs, account issues, or technical problems, this new feature makes getting help faster than ever. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone if you're not already signed in. Once your chats load, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on that. A small menu will open on the left side of your chat list. From here, scroll down until you find the Help and Feedback option. Click on it and this will bring you to a new page filled with tools and resources to solve most issues. Next, click on Contact Us. This is where things get interesting. Instead of sending a form or email like before, WhatsApp now lets you start a chat directly with their support team. After clicking Contact Us, you'll see an option labeled Start Chat. Go ahead and click it. Within seconds, a new chat window will open automatically. This is your direct line to WhatsApp's customer service team. Once you're connected, simply type your problem in detail. It could be anything from login issues to privacy settings or message delivery problems. Be clear and specific. The more information you provide, the faster they can assist you. And that's it. You're now chatting in real time with WhatsApp's official support right through your browser. No more searching for contact forms or waiting for email replies. This direct support chat is a huge time saver and one of the most convenient updates WhatsApp Web has rolled out recently. So, if you ever run into an issue, now you know exactly how to get in touch with WhatsApp support. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helps you make the most of your WhatsApp Web experience.